Hi, this is Stephen from Share Navigator. It's December the 4th, and this is your day trading update. So, we really wanted to focus in on an example of our day trading rules. We have a trade on at the moment on the euro dollar, but I want to tell you what prompted our entry point, and why we didn't enter the trade earlier. So, here we were, our RSI in the 15-minute chart got above 70. So, that gave us the alert to start getting interested. But we didn't place the trade until recently, and we'll show you exactly when we placed the trade, and we'll have a look at it live. So the reason we didn't is because of this long bullish candle here, and it kept going higher and higher and higher. And in fact, if we look here, this was the first part of concern as to the reason why we didn't take action straight away. This high in this candle here totally eclipsed all the previous highs. So this meant we were making new higher highs on the 15-minute. If we go back to our daily chart here on the left, it was similar here. These highs here have taken out these highs here. So it indicated to us that we may be starting to go higher. So we needed that trend to break down a little bit before we placed the trade. So you can see there was a lot of consolidation here. There was about an hour and a half of trading before we actually placed the trade. And it was in this dark candle, when we took out all of this consolidation period here, that we actually placed the trade. So we go into it now, we'll show you here. We're up at 12, 13 euro. We're only in the trade about 5-6 minutes. But I just wanted to give you an example that the RSI is the alert to get you interested, but the actual trade doesn't happen until the trend is broken. And that's what we did here. We wanted this uptrend to be broken. It consolidated, which meant it could go either way. It could start going back up again here. That's the reason why we didn't place the trade. But once this consolidation period, this candle engulfed and took everything out here, that's when we got interested and we actually placed the trade. So we went short on the euro dollar here. We did €5 a point on a 12K account. And we put our stop in 40 points ahead because we don't want above, because we're only risking €200 per trade as per our rules. We're looking to get out of this if and when it reaches 11,661.3, or the other rule is if it gets, the RSI gets to 50. So we go back into our chart here again. Let's see where our RSI is at. Our RSI is at 52.5. So we're getting pretty close. When our RSI hits 50 here, we're going to monitor this now because we can afford to watch it. And if it gets to 50, we will close the trade down. And if that means we take slightly less than 10 points profit, well, so be it. And we'll take whatever profits off the table. So I just wanted to highlight that to you. We're going to pause this video now and stay with this trade until we actually close out, and to show you exactly what we mean. So here we are, guys, a couple of minutes. We're about 20 minutes later now, and you can see our RSI has gone down here just to about 50. So we're going to close the trade for whatever profit we have on. We have a profit here of 19 in 30 minutes. So 20, you can see 21. We just close the trade down now. So we're not waiting for our limit price to be hit here. So we'll just take the profit off at 20 and walk away. Profit done. So it was 17.50 in the end. So that's the rule-based approach to day trading, guys. If you follow that, you won't go too far wrong. Okay, I hope that example helped. If you have any questions, please reach out via the chat area on the website or WhatsApp me directly. And why not set up a call with me too? Okay, thanks and bye for now.